Hello everyone, this is Andy Gallegos and we're over at the Coolidge Public Library. Thank you for tuning in to The MASHUP, a tween and teen program dedicated to making all things crafty. So for this session, we're going to be making some fashion letters. So if you stop by the library and pick up your Take and Make kit, you'll receive a bunch of letters spelling out the word read. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking that yarn that should be coming in your Ziploc bag, and you're going to be really snazzing up all those letters with this yarn. So it's pretty simple, but it can be a lot of fun and a little bit relaxing. So what you're gonna do is start with your first letter, and there are a couple of ways you can go. Pick out the first color that you would like to use, and essentially what you're going to do is you're going to start by wrapping it around one of those different pieces of the letter. So, just like so. And then you're going to tie it. So you're going to want to tie it, let me see if I can show you real fast. Kind of like how you do tie your shoes, but you're going to be using the yarn instead right around one of the openings or the legs of your letters. So we're going to get that nice and tight, that way it doesn't fall off. There we go. And so then once you've got it tight around once, you're set to go. All you're going to do is you're going to be wrapping all the way around, and you can keep it as close as you can or as far away as you can, depends on the kind of style you want. So if you try and keep it all nice and close together, you'll end up getting all of the colors in a very form-fitted and fashion way. See how it's very thick on that pink right there? Or if you want, you can also spread them out. Give them kind of like that stripes or zigzag motion. So you can go all the way up and around, and then you can go in through the middles of the letters if they have holes or circles punched out, and then bringing them all the way down until you reach the end of your string, where you can then take one end and attach it to the same color or a different color if you're wanting to switch it up and change up the colors as they move through the motion. Or you can end it all right there and then just use one piece of string one at a time. So here, we're gonna fast forward this video and show you what it looks like when you're all done. Ready? Alright, and there you have it. So whether you use all of your yarn or just a little bit of it, make sure you make your letters as fantastic as you are. And then why not go ahead and take a picture of it, post it, and then tag Coolidge Public Library. Thank you for joining us in the mashup where we made some fashion letters this week, spelling out the word read. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time in the next program.